It has been a month, guys. It has been a month. Hi, how's it going? How are you doing? I'm losing my mind over here. But before I tell you everything that's going on, this video I'm going to be showing you guys like a shop with me that I filmed a couple weeks ago before everything happened. It's still going to be relevant though, because I'm doing like a CVS shop with me since my CVS store did like a whole overhaul and the section looks gorgeous. So it's more like, what is CVS offering these days? It was fully stocked. It's looking beautiful. And then I also went to Walmart to try to find the new Profusion Jurassic Park line, which has some like silly stuff, but then they have some interesting stuff too. So we're gonna go to Walmart and see if we can find that and you know, all of those other. But point is, this was pre-filmed before my whole family got COVID. It has not been a fun time over here. This is the first time I've done makeup in like 2 weeks. I'm going insane, okay? So story is that it's been such a month. At the beginning of the month, my poor daughter, she went 2 years COVID-free for school and everything. And on the last day of school that night, the same time we get an email that she might have been exposed, she's like, oh, I have a scratchy throat. Okay, there we go. Luckily, she is vaccinated. She only had a scratchy throat for 3 days. And because it was only a scratchy throat, she was able to just keep it in herself. Nobody else got it. She recovered, no problem, easy. She was all better. That's great. We still quarantined the full amount of time because we just wanted to make sure. Towards the end of June, a few weeks later, she got it again. That's crazy. So she had a scratchy throat. I honestly didn't think anything of it because she just had it like a few weeks or what, maybe like 2 weeks prior to that. So I was just thinking weather, it's been really crazy weather here. It's been really hot. We've been outside a lot. So I just figured allergies, because that happens with her, happens with all of us. And then her symptoms went away for 2 days. And then she woke up with a cough only, but I woke up with the scratchy throat and I woke up with sweats and body aches and all the things. So we dealt with that, and then like one by one the dominoes fell. So 2 days after her, I got it, and then she was getting better. Then 2 days later my baby got it, and then 2 days later my husband got it. So we've been just having a grand old time. Not good. So we're on the mend, everybody's better, and everybody's negative now, and that's what's important. So we're doing good, but we've still just been isolating just in case. So that's where I've been, in case you've been wondering, where is Ashley? I just didn't have the stamina to film through all of this and do all of that. I just didn't have it in me. I've been cleaning the house constantly and just been a mess. So you probably can relate at some point in the last couple years to my story, but let's go shopping. But like I said, pre-filmed, I'm not exposing anybody. So enjoy this content for what it's worth, okay? Check out the selection of LA Girl, fully stocked. Anything new? Instant finish blurring powder. I think I've seen that around. Tinted foundation. Have we seen this? Interesting. God, love these liners. They are the freaking best. Go get yourself some. $4. Oh wow, there's a little Makeup Revolution section here now, which of course you can get at Target as well. But that's handy. I love a good full e.l.f. display. There you have it. Very nice and clean here. It looks really good. Nothing new from e.l.f. that I'm seeing, but just nice and fully stocked. Now this is fairly new to CVS. Kimchi Beauty, and look at it, it's nice and fully stocked. I don't think this is everything in the line. Like, I'm not seeing the new macaroon lippies. Not macaroon, that's NYX back in the day. The little pastel lipsticks, I'm not seeing those, but it is a lot from the line. What do I need to try from them, you guys? What do I need to try? I'm curious. The packaging is so freaking cute. Wait, is that called? Yeah, it is. Diamond Sharts. Well, that's interesting. That's an interesting name. Oh, these are totally giving me Too Faced vibes from back in the day. These little hearts are so cute. I love it. I have a huge CoverGirl display. Simply Ageless on this side. A bunch of their mascaras and everything over here. Wow, I have not been able to find this one in stores. The Dazed all set. Do I need to give that one a try? Super cute, but it is all shimmer. I wasn't expecting that. Clean, fresh lines. He continues, like literally a huge stand of CoverGirl, front and back.
These concealers are super underrated. Try those out. The Beauty Bakery Drugstore brand, like they kind of did what Uma Beauty did with Walmart, where they made like a drugstore part, not brand, but whatever, a sector. So that is now at CVS. The little lip whips and nudes, $12. I think the original ones are $20 that you can get at Ulta. Bunch of sugar. Take a little look. All these blushes look so cute. Snackaroos, no, snackaroons. And they're setting powders. I wonder if that's the same one. Oh, Pinch Of. So I think it's just like a smaller version of their classic setting powders. Here is a fully stocked NYX line. It is not everything from the line, but because I was looking for the new little blush contour sticks that they came out with. Not seeing those. Nothing else new coming out to me. Hello Gorgeous Flower Display. This has almost everything. Anything new? Anything new? Looks like that got a little package update. Get Real Serum Foundation. Those are not new, but I have not heard of them for some reason. Fiber Fixing Brow Gel. And this is the most gorgeous essence display that I have seen because it is not in shambles. It is all organized and fully stocked. I have a bunch of these and they're actually really good and they're only $5. Like the Coral Me, what is this one? Coral Me Maybe. That one's really good. Okay, Basin. Isn't this the brand that they sell at Disneyland and Disney World, downtown, the downtown areas of Disney? I think it is. What? $6.99 bath bombs? What is this? This pink sugar smells amazing. Oh, sweet cotton candy, that's why. Oh, that smells so good. Florida Sunshine, orangey floral. Oh, they also have these cute little bath bombs that have little hidden treasures inside. It's a princess one and there's a pirate one. It's so cute. Let's go see what Walmart has to offer. Nothing like a fully stocked e.l.f. display in the morning. They have the whole range of the putty and they have the new vitamin C primer here. $12. I feel like that went up, or well, I guess $10 for the original. $12 for the vitamin C infused. I always like looking at the Kiss nails because those are my favorites for press-ons. I've never tried this brand, but I love the swirls, obviously. You see, that's what I did. That's fun. Salon Perfect. Let me know if you've tried these ones. How are they compared to Kiss? This one's cool too. Ooh, I love that. Okay, so here's Profusion. I'm not seeing the Jurassic Park collection, unfortunately, but I do see some new stuff. I see some new of the Bright Lights liner. I have this one and I think that one, and those are awesome, but I have purchased them before and had to return it because they were dried up. So that's the unfortunate thing, but this shade and this shade I am loving. That is so bright and fun. $3.98, $4. Ooh, and a pigment base primer. I'm almost out of my ABH eye primer, which has lasted me probably longer than I should have kept it, but like literally years. I think I'm gonna try this next because that's $3.98 and it looks like the same thing. These Perfect Pouts look fun. Soft matte lip tint. Ooh. Ooh, I think I'm gonna have to try one of these because this is coral and I love it. $4.98 for these blushes. I think that the Jurassic Park collection has blushes, but since it's not here, I might need to try one of these. Look how pretty that packaging is. Oh my goodness. Here's the Milani section. The only thing I'm thinking might be new, but I could just be totally out of it. The Ludicrous matte lip crayons here, including a blue one. Is this really blue or is it clear? Because I've never seen Milani do fun, funky colors like that. Oh no, it's blue. That's awesome. That's fun. They also finally have the matte lipsticks. They've had these balms forever, but not the matte lipsticks. Finally there, $7.97. I'm loving, I saw some people swatch the nudes and they look so, so pretty. I need to do a declutter and then I'll see what I need because I'm sure I don't need more nude lipsticks, but I want them. And this is new, the Precision Brow Pencil. I'm gonna try Profusion because it's half the price and we'll see you know how that goes. It is smaller in size. This is 0.05, this one's 0.003. Oh no, never mind. Yeah, wait, so the Profusion is double the size almost and half the price. That is tricky, tricky, tricky. I think these are new from CoverGirl. It's the Simply Ageless lip liners for $8.97. I'm sure those are super hydrating. Oh yeah, here's the Clean Fresh Balms if you're interested. $4.98, not too shabby. You guys, I did like a TikTok live trying this foundation. It is amazing. Full coverage matte. Dude, favorite matte foundation, full coverage at the drugstore now, $10.49. It lasts. CoverGirl Outlast. I see where I get the name. I see where they get it. I see what they did. So now I wonder how the concealer is. Ooh. Okay, and then from NYX, I'm seeing the new Epic Smoke liners, which, I mean, they're basically just an eyeliner, but it has a little tool at the end that you can kind of blend out. Maybe a little bit easier. That's very on trend. I think that's a nice idea. You can get that though with shadow. You don't have to do all of that, but that is, yeah, 11 bucks. You can use a shadow palette for that look. My favorite underrated Walmart makeup brand, Hard Candy. There's always just little hidden gems in this brand. I'm telling you guys. I tried this last time I was here and I really like that. These highlighters, they look pretty glittery, but also fun. Peach Please. Oh, that's gorgeous. $5.97. This looks a little wild and fun. You know I love my fun, crazy highlighters. This was gold. Ooh, that reminds me of back in the day, like Too Faced bronzer highlighter duos. I also love their concealer. I need to get around to trying their foundation one day. I really do. But that shade range is absolutely awful. I'm sure there's more online, or I hope. Ooh, I like these little $4 quads. Those are fun. They are really small, but like that's all you need for $4. That's cute. I love this green one. Envy. That's really pretty. Totally reminded me of e.l.f. A little bit smaller than the e.l.f. pans, it looks like. I don't know about weight wise, but just by looks, but still really cute. Ooh, and for my neutral people, these are really good neutral shades. That's exciting. I think this is the third package change I've seen from this plumping lip gloss brand that they have, or line. It is a really good line, but I haven't tried the newest ones, obviously. Oh, it's a gentle plumping. I don't want that. I want full extreme plumping. But $7 for that. Okay, hopefully you guys enjoyed that little shop with me. I like to just see, I hope that was relevant. Like I said, I just like to see what's out there, especially in times that you can't always run to the store. So hopefully you got to see. Unfortunately, we didn't find the Profusion stuff this time. It's been, like I said, it's been a couple weeks now, so it might be in stores now. Maybe. I haven't seen anybody find it yet though. So if you've seen anybody that finds it, or if you found it, let me know. Profusion Jurassic Park, because there's just a couple of pieces that I want. But I will show you what I did get, and bonus, because it's been a couple weeks, I did play with it before I got sick, so I can tell you some of the stuff that I got and if I like it or not. So the Profusion Blush Hour Blush, I do like a lot. I'm actually wearing it today underneath. I did powder, so it might not be able to see it as well, but I did it on a TikTok when I first got it, and I was able to put it over powder products, no problem. And it's like subtle. I don't like a strong blush, but it is really buildable. It's more of a liquid consistency rather than moussey. I don't know why. I thought it'd just be more moussey. So it's very, very liquidy, but it's nice. You can use a sponge to blend it out. It didn't pick up my foundation or anything, and you can blend it out or you can build it up. So I'm really enjoying that. I'll probably grab a couple more shades, and that packaging and that price, like you can't beat that. So I totally am happy with that score. And I love this thing too. I did this on a TikTok as well. I seriously got home that day that I went to Walmart, and then I tried these on. So I brought the e.l.f. one to compare for you guys because that's the closest thing. I think these are $3. These ones were what, $4. And the e.l.f. ones are a tiny bit bigger. You see the pan size, tiny bit bigger in pans, but let me see ounce wise. Yeah, a little bit bigger ounce wise for the e.l.f., like a tiny bit. So, you know, for $1 more, there you get a little bit less, but the selection I prefer in the hard candy, I think. I've only gotten the neutral one so far. I've only tried the neutral one. I want to go back and get the green and the purple. That's what everybody on TikTok also says that I should try, because I don't like the green and purple from the e.l.f. collection. Well, I know I didn't like the purple. I don't think I loved the green. No, I think I liked the green, but nonetheless, the hard candy one was more of a bright green, which I love. So I'll go back and try that because I really did enjoy the formula of these hard candy ones. They're very buttery. They blended really nicely. If you're not following me over on TikTok and you have it, go follow me there because I post more frequently there since I can do them really quick. But
yeah, they're very creamy. The metallic was very shiny. It's just all around good. So let me know if you're gonna grab one of those from Hard Candy. I think that's one of the most underrated drugstore brands on the market. The Profusion Good Day Brow that I picked up, the brow pencil, unfortunately is a bust. So even though it was like double the size of the Milani one and half the price, it's not good. So that sucks. So we struck out with that one. The blush was good. That's how I think any brand is really. I don't even say just drugstore, but any brand has that opportunity to have good products and bad products. This one just doesn't. It's the, what shade? It's the soft brown shade, and it's more of a blonde. It's not soft brown. And I was trying to dupe out my already cheap dupe, but I want to go even cheaper. The CoverGirl Micro Pencil, which I have right here. I used 2 shades of this one, and I was trying to find a dupe for the brown because I just go through these so fast. So if I can save money, yeah, look at the blonde in the CoverGirl's darker than the Profusion. So not only that, but it also is like not coming off easy on my skin when I use brow gels or brow waxes or stuff, and that's what I use to get that laminated look. So that's a bust, but maybe I'll try the Milani one. I have to look at the ounces versus whatever. I think the CoverGirl might still land me a better value, so I might stick with that one. But I'm always up to try new things. If there's a brow pencil that you like that I should try, let me know. But I'm gonna go, I think next week, we'll see how we'll see how everything goes. Who knows these days? I'm gonna be doing a declutter because I really need to. I've collected things over the last year, and I think it's been a year since I've done a declutter. So stay tuned for that, and follow me over on social medias like TikTok and Instagram, pretty much. That's the only places that I've been lately, and I will see you guys later. Thanks for hanging out. Thanks for checking on me. Okay, I'll see you guys. Bye!